So in a previous video we looked at creating a scatter plot of this data here. So let's create our scatter plot. Okay, we might use that one there, and then we added a trend line. We also displayed the equation, we displayed the R-squared value. We did all that, and we see our R-squared value is 96 there. But maybe it might fit better with a different graph. So we might try a different type of trend line. So let's try exponential. Now our R-squared value has become less. Okay, logarithmic, slightly less. Polynomial, well, there we go. That's probably the best fit we're going to get, 0.98. If we compare that with linear, 0.96. So what about a power? No. Moving average? No. So polynomial looks better. You can also change the order of the polynomial. So we'll just see. Yeah, so a cubic looks even better. And a quartic looked even better still. Okay. So you can fiddle around with these trend line options here to determine which graph best fits your data. You can keep the R-squared value displayed and also the equation displayed. Okay, thanks for listening.